Hey guys, it's me, Steph. So I am super late on talking about this palette. I've actually bought this and had this since before Christmas. I grabbed it and rushed in there thinking like, oh, you know, this is going to be the palette of Christmas and it's going to sell out, so I better buy it now. So I bought it when it was actually $42 still, and I've seen it go on sale and go down to like maybe 25, and I was just like, damn, I could have waited, but I just wanted to jump the gun in case it sold out. As you can see, I have used this palette. It's so like, dude, for 25 bucks, this is the shit. You get so many freaking colors. And if you didn't know, each section is by a different makeup artist. I've been meaning to do a video for this, and I just like couldn't figure out my way to like make a swatch video. And while recording earlier, I just realized that the setup works. The lighting is good. So I don't mind doing these swatches. Maybe we'll go by sections, but then I am not sure when it comes to these highlighters, because what it is, it's 39 colors, and then these are like highlighters right here. What I really love too is the freaking like the cover. This super fucking rainbow shit is beautiful. The back kind of has it too. So let's do some swatches, shall we? So I'm gonna start with this corner over here. So this is Daring. We'll do this. Pretty Red. And then we're going to try Hot Stuff. God, look at these. These are so pretty. The next color is Swerve Looks. Swerve Looks For Real. There it is. And then we got Attention Please. This one's a topper, so I don't know if you'll see it, but you'll see like the glitter in there. So Sassy. Extra Attitude. Which is that coppery color. And then Werk the Room. You can kind of see the glitter on it. So the next color is Vibing. So here's the next set. This shimmery color. Ooh, this one's my favorite. So this is, look at this thing. This like gold coppery color. We have this one. This one is called My Type. Just really light right there. And then the last color for this is Hookup. You can see that the other one's like really close to my skin tone. Hot Date, which is like this silvery color. Silver right there. This is another one I really love. It's called Love Bomb. This thing. It is chunky glitter. You can see it's like glaring, which is this brown color. And the last one, oh, so this one was Makeout Sesh. And then this one is called Obsessive, which is like a black with silver sparkles in there. So far we've done 2 of the makeup artists. This is Euphoric, which is a very light pastel purplish pink, very periwinkle. Feeling it. And this one is called Give In. They're super glittery and sheer. And then this last one is called So Wild. Here. And then we'll do the other 4, which is Rhythm, No Regrets, and Live It Up. So, Rhythm, No Regrets, Live It Up. And then the last one from Kelly HMUA. I'm really bad at names. I'm so sorry if I butchered it. The last one is called Chaos. And this one also is very pretty. I hope it shows. So it's brown, but when you get certain angles, it's like the seafoam brown color. Right here. Right there. And now we are at the last 8 of the eyeshadows. And this is by Vikram. So they're right here. So, Ghosted. Ooh, look at that. It's like an icy blue. Don't Stop. Reckless. And Go All Night. Which is this red. Look at how bright those are. And the last 4 of the eyeshadows, we have Insomniac, Out Late, 2 a.m., and Till Dawn. Insomniac, Out Late, 2 a.m., and Insomniac. So the difference between that other black and this one is this one has sparkles. And then this one has this, my ashy ass elbow, sorry. So there's this. And I don't know where to put the highlighters. But there's 8. Maybe I'll wipe my arm. You can just see like all these eyeshadows. The toppers are really sick, but the freaking mattes, super pigmented. Love that. Oh my gosh, look, we have a clean canvas again. Oh, I totally missed my elbow area. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna do the 8 of the eyeshadow, or not eyeshadows, 8 of the highlight palette, or highlight area, which is these right here. So I'm going to go in on Beam, Magic Hour, Glow Show, and Glitz On. So this is Beam, Magic Hour, Glow Show, and Glitz On. Let you see that real quick. Now we're at the last 3, which is Gleam Big, Strobin, and Halo Effect. Gleam Big, Strobing, and Halo Effect. Super sheer, but so freaking shiny. There you go. So yeah, I honestly really, really love this palette. Also, I like to tape the eyeshadow protectors on the lid, or like underneath the lid. That way I am able to still know the names of the eyeshadows in case I want to reference like, oh, this is the color I used. So yeah, this is one of my favorite palettes. I was actually really, really happy that I got it. And it looks so pretty, especially with this, these really pretty rainbow light. I love anything rainbow colored. These are so cute. I don't know if this is still out, but if you ever get a chance to get your hands on it, you should do it. It's totally worth it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.